Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, let's learn how to fix Google AI Studio failed to install apps. So if you're facing that problem, you're going to have to immediately log out of your Google AI Studio account, log back in again, and see if you can now install the applications. Or what you could try is selecting this three dot icon, scroll all the way below and select Settings. Under Settings, select Privacy and Security. Here, go for Site Settings. Now in here, scroll below, then select JavaScript. Make sure site can use JavaScript is toggled on instead of don't allow sites to use JavaScript. Or you can also customize the behavior. Under allow to use JavaScript, as you can see, no sites are added, but select add and simply paste the URL of your Google AI Studio. Now once you have done that, go back and select pop-ups and redirects under content. In here, select this site can send pop-ups and use redirects under default behavior. Once you've done that, lastly, go ahead and clear the cache. So select delete browsing data and then select all time and go ahead, delete the browsing data, and then you will be able to fix your problem. Thank you for watching.